Hello everybody! Today we are going to create our own word design, and this is a really great way to turn an ordinary word into something unique and creative. To start, we are going to draw a shape. Now, this could be any shape. I'm going to trace an object to create a perfect circle, but it doesn't have to be in a geometric shape like a circle or a triangle. The word that I'm selecting is grateful. Now, whatever word you choose, you're going to stretch it so that it fits inside the shape you drew. I'm counting out the letters that are in my word to find which letter is in the middle. If you have a word with an even number of letters, like the word grateful, then you're going to have two letters that are going to be sharing the middle space. So I'm mapping out how my word is going to fit inside my shape by putting the middle two letters inside that circle. If you have a word that only has 5 letters, for example, well, then you would only have one letter to go right in the middle of your shape. And this just helps you design your spacing and track out how you're going to write your word. Grateful fit in perfectly in my circle, and I tilted and stretched the letters so that it really fit inside my circle. Next, we're going to start designing our word. And to start this, I erase any unwanted lines that I don't want from my pencil. And then you just start to design your word. Think about the colors that you want to use. What about the types of lines? Do you want to use straight lines, curvy lines, patterns, designs? What combination of those things are you going to use? I decided to use warm colors that I associated with kind of feeling grateful, and for me those just happen to be warm colors. I wanted to keep the circle emphasis on the outside, but I didn't want an actual circle, so even though I erased my circle lines, I created this design to really outline the shape of the word grateful, and then went back in and added some details to my letters, and here I have my final word design. I actually really like how it turned out. Now I'm going to go in and do the same thing with the word love. And I'm going to just keep this up, speed it up really quickly so you guys can just start to get some more ideas. I wanted to give you some different examples. Again, this was another word that had an even number of letters. So when I spaced it out, I had to share the middle space with the O and the V so I could plan out my letter. The next one I'm going to do is the word kindness. And I chose to have some letters stretched to the very top and other letters like the D, I did not fill up the entire space, but the tall part of the D did. And I went back in with the designs that I really liked, erased the lines I didn't want anymore, and I ended up with a really cute way of writing the word kindness. Again, I turned an ordinary word into something quite extraordinary. Extraordinary it is. Have fun, get creative, think outside the box, and don't be afraid to try something, even if it's just to erase it later. Have fun, guys. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!